Okay, today we're going to be looking at improper algebraic fractions. So we know that an improper fraction is one where we have the numerator is greater than the denominator. So an example of that would be 11/5, for example. And we know we can change our improper fraction into a mixed fraction where we would have 2 wholes and then 1/5 left over. Because there's 11 parts here, so 11 divided by 5 is going to be 2, and then there's 2 times 5 is 10, so 10 of these 11 parts are going to be used as wholes, and that gives us 1 left over to be 1/5. So that's our improper fractions that we are familiar with. We can also have improper algebraic fractions. So an improper algebraic fraction is one where we have some function p of x over another function q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials in x, and the degree of p of x is greater than or equal to the degree of q of x. So an example of an algebraic improper fraction would be x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7 over x minus 2. As you see, this is in a degree of x cubed, and this is x to the power 1. So this is our improper algebraic fraction. Now, the way that we would deal with this is by using, we divide the top polynomial by the bottom polynomial, and we'd find out, we'd be able to then create an equivalent of a mixed fraction. Now, if you are rusty on this, go back to the videos where we discuss polynomials and how to divide polynomials. So let's do this with this one. So the highest degree here is x cubed, so we go to the next one, x squared. So we times x squared by that, so x squared times x minus 2 is going to be x cubed minus 2x squared, and we put this in here, x cubed minus 2x squared, and then we're going to subtract this. So x cubed, we take away x cubed is 0, then we've got minus 3x squared, minus, and a minus is a plus, so that's then going to just be minus x squared, and the 7 just falls down. Now we're going to use x squared, so we're going to have here, we need to add in, wait a minute, I'll add in an extra bit here, so we've got plus 0, where's my rubber? Where's the rubber? Here's the rubber. So we need to add, there's an x squared, but there's no x coefficient, so we've got 0x here, then plus 7. So you need to add the different, if there's any missing coefficients, you add them in. So here, so we're dealing with the x squared, so we're going to be minus x. Now the reason we do minus x, remember we're going to subtract, this is going to be we'll be multiplying, we'll do the bit here. So we have minus x times x minus 2. So that's going to be minus x squared plus 2x. So we do that, and we get our, this will come down here. And I need to move that 7 over because it's going to get plus 0x plus 7. Let's put that over there so out of the way. So here, when we do this part here, this is minus. So you're going to have this minus and minus, and this has to be minus. This has to be positive. This is minus. We need a positive here, but because we subtract, we need to have a minus here. So that's why this part up here is going to be minus x. So now we do our takeaway. So that becomes a positive. So we lose the x squared coefficient, and now this is going to be minus 2x, and it's plus 7. 7 falls down. So here we are now going to have, we want to get a 2 here, and there's no 2 here, so it's going to be minus 2. So the minus 2 multiplied by that is going to give us, again, we'll have the minus 2x minus plus 4. And then we'll take this away, we'll lose the x's, and then that's going to be 7 minus 4 is going to be 3, and that 3 is our remainder. So this will then become our x squared minus x minus 2, and that'll then plus our remainder divided by x minus 2. So I hope that helps.